Hi guys, and what's up? And welcome to another video. I'm around my nan's house, and
the cat.
Her cat found a
Pick that up. I will. Oh no!
Oh my goodness!
Oh, no! Oh my god!
Grace,
Oh, the cat has a mouse. Come on! Oh my god!
oh my goodness! What happened?
What have you been doing?
Cat, did you do this? Ah! I thought I heard something, so I thought it was there.
What have you been doing?
What have you been doing, Cat?
You've been eating.
Have you been?
People again?
Have you been eating sugar?
Oh my god! He bit that. I just saw him come here, and he put a mouse. So I couldn't tell. Is that a rat?
No,
Go get Dad.
It's a mouse.
Are you sure it's a mouse? It looks like a rat.
Yeah,
I
but
want to stroke here, but then the cat might bite me, and he'll be like, "No, you're there." Okay, kind of wet.
yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's not all the video.
Eating. Oh, no, look.
Cat
No,
has a
come
mouse.
In, and look out the window. All come in and look out the window. All come in and then look out the window.
I know.
Next, get in here.
Okay, come.
Get in here.
Oh, help me. Guys, it's so dark here. So dark in here. So dark.
Come back, Dexter. Let's see the cat pick it up.
Yay. So dark. We're in the dark. Dunna, dunna.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, guys.
Dex, it started its feast. It's actually going to eat it. What? It's going to eat the mouse. Yeah. It wants
Guys, I'm just going to show you something.
Right back.
One sec. Cat has a mouse.
Come with me, Dad.
Cat's got a mouse.
The cat's
Guys,
got a real mouse.
open the door. Open the door. Let me get out.
Look, Dad.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Got a mouse.
Look.
Look.
Wait.
Got a mouse.
Oh, it's dead.
I know.
Is the mouse dead?
Yeah, I think.
No, they die of fright.
Oh no.
It might still be alive,
Might be playing dead.
Yeah, that's what they sometimes do.
Hey, move out away.
No, but I saw the cat actually it in its mouth, carrying it over here. Can I pick it up?
Oh no.
Cute.
What's cute?
I'm gonna give it a belly rub.
Yeah. Guys, that was so weird. Comment down below if you've ever seen that with a cat.
Just give it a hot resuscitate it.
Look, guys. Oh my goodness.
Blow into it.
Don't blow into it, Grace. Oh my goodness.
Oh, when I say that, cat will smack it to death.
Do not do that. Come.
Bring it inside.
Oh my. He's literally carrying it. Like Uncle. The cat bring it.
The cat got a mouse. The cat got a mouse.
Yeah,
Is it? Is it dead?
Yeah.
yeah, literally, guys. Oh my goodness, that was so. Look, here's the cat now. It's like, why? He's like, why are you feasting with my dinner? Oh, he ran away. He's scared. Oh, is he? Oh, that is.
Uncle Danny, try and give it CPR.
Let me see. Let's see where it is. Huh. He's right over there. It's actually going to the shed. Oh my goodness. That was so weird.
Recycling.
Oh my goodness. 9, 5, 6, 8. Danny,
What?
here's the recycling here.
They're not at recycling.
What's he saying then?
The prank bin.
Why is he putting it Guys, that was so
And search me up. Wait.
Probably give Nan the fright. Probably give Nan the fright. I just like playing around. She can't
I am
no,
you can't do that.
So that's the end of the video.
I said he killed this one. Like, it's the full one.